Mafhoum Khadija. I'm a first officer on 747. Today we're flying from Casablanca to Montreal, and here we start with the exterior inspection. Everything is in place, no leaks, no damage. Here we check the position lights. We have two green lights on the right.
Hello world and welcome to Royal Maroc on 747 flight from Casablanca to Montreal. My name is Mohsin Tazi. I'm the captain of this flight.
35 right for takeoff and 35 left for landing. And here is the good landing.
Then we are on the same page.
Clear for takeoff, runway 35 right when airborne with the approach 99, goodbye Maroc 2099.
V1. Rotate. Positive.
Gear up.
Safety altitude. Climb 1.
Checked. Today the takeoff weight was 322 tons. I have muscles for that.
I see, I'm afraid.
So I don't think about how much strength I have to apply. It just comes naturally, and during takeoff I'm a part of the airplane. It's just this, and it's really amazing. I mean, I love my job. I love this, and you can see it on my face. Like, my eyes are sparkling, and I have a big smile whenever I'm on board the airplane. I'm really lucky to fly with all the captain we have on the 747, because it's all of them.
Old farts.
Yeah. Now it's all good captain with a lot of experience that they share with you every day. And for me, as a young pilot, I'm learning. Every flight is I'm learning so much, and I'm so thankful for that. So I never say that, but thank you, Captain.
Thank you, Khadija. You know everything of our life, and this is a life I would not exchange for anything in this planet. I hope you have enjoyed it, and hope to welcome you aboard Royal Maroc very soon.